Angular pipes help format content in your template, like filtering, ordering, formatting dates, currencies, and so on. A quick example could be to change a string to uppercase by applying a simple filter in the template code. Pipes are designed to be used in interpolation syntax, property expressions, and template statements within a component template markup. The general idea being that you use a pipe after your statement that you wish to transform, and the pipe will run on that statement value and return a final value that the template will display. Angular has a number of built-in pipes, and you can also build your own custom pipes. Like built-in directives, built-in pipes are natively available to use in templates. Angular comes with a stock of pipes such as date pipe, uppercase pipe, lowercase pipe, currency pipe, and percent pipe, and so on. They are all immediately available for use in any template. So let's take a look at some of the most commonly used built-in Angular pipes. So back in Visual Studio Code, what we have here is an app component which has a property called firstName, and we have set its value to John Doe. And in the template syntax, we have a h1 tag with interpolation, and we have firstName in there. So in our browser, it displays our first name as John Doe. What we want to do now is to apply an uppercase pipe. So to do that, we add a pipe and then followed by uppercase. Uppercase here is a built-in Angular pipe. Back in the browser, we see that John Doe is now in uppercase. Now let's go ahead and try a lowercase pipe. So this is similar to the uppercase pipe, it's just that it's going to display the name in lowercase. Over in the browser, we should notice that it is now in lowercase. Now let's go ahead and try another pipe, which is number. So if we just key in some number and then apply the number pipe, back in the browser, we should notice that it now displays the number with a comma. Now let's try another one. Let's try the percent pipe. So if I give 0.5 and then followed by a percent pipe and save this file. Over in the browser, we should notice that it now displays 50%. Pipes can also support parameters. Parameters are set to the right of the pipe name, separated by colons. The built-in date pipe supports a parameter of a string that represents date formatting. So let's just go ahead and try the date pipe with some parameter. So I'm going to change the property of first name to date of birth. Now I'm going to make use of the date of birth property in our interpolation syntax here. And now I'm going to use the date pipe. What we want to do here is to use a parameter. So I'm going to make use of a parameter called long date and save this file. Over in the browser, you should now notice a formatted date. You can also mention a string format for the date. So you could do something like and save the file, and you should notice that the date is formatted according to the format that we have mentioned in the pipe. If a pipe supports more than one parameter, you can separate each of the parameters by a colon. There's another inbuilt pipe called slice that allows us to display a part of a list or a string. So let's go ahead and use the slice pipe to understand how to work with multiple parameters. The slice pipe takes in two parameters, the start and the end position. So here we have mentioned 0 and 4. Over in the browser, we can see that only the first 4 characters of the property name is displayed. Pipes can also be chained. So let's go ahead and add an uppercase pipe here. So we add a pipe and then we say uppercase. Over in the browser, we see the result as expected.